Hey everyone, it's Chris with Artifact. Today we're in the Artifact store and we're going to talk about our number 9 personal effects bag. First I'm going to take a drink of LaCroix because we love LaCroix here and we'd love to be sponsored by it. Very refreshing. Let's continue. So let's take a look at some number 9s. Here are a couple in our store. This one's in all black. This one is in slate with a Horween tan leather bottom. And this one's our most popular color, our dark khaki with the brown Horween Chrome XL bottom. These all have wristlets attached to them. They're sold as an add-on accessory. I don't ever carry one with the wristlet. I find them to look a little pursy for me. And let's talk about some of the materials and features. So these are in 14-ounce waxed canvas. They have a vintage style shuttle loomed label. They have a custom made ideal zipper where the pull is in a very vintage style bell-shaped zipper pull. This is very military inspired. A lot of military bags and outerwear has that exact style of zipper. It has a Horween leather pull tab that we've added. And the ring here is solid brass that we hand patina. And it's got a leather Horween leather bottom here. And I designed it with the leather on the bottom because when I have this bag, I have a propensity to carry it like this across the bottom. And I just love the way the leather feels against my hand as I'm carrying it. It just feels strong and structured. So why would you use a personal effects bag? Why not? It can be used for so many different things. I can tell you how I personally use it for starters. I have 2 of these at home, and the one I use to keep my toiletries in when I travel, so it's used as kind of a smaller dopp kit. I also carry one every single day. I like to alternate between bags. I have the 705 field bag, which is our smaller messenger style satchel. And then I also have the number 740L field bag, rucksack, which is our backpack. And I keep my critical things in here. I keep my phone charger, my checkbook, my aspirin, my writing utensils. And so when I want to alternate between bags, I just grab this one and I put it in the other bag so that I'm on the go. I also will sometimes carry this as a standalone if I'm just going to run a quick errand or something. My wife carries a couple of these, and she always carries it with the wristlet here, so she'll keep this tethered to her wrist. And she likes to put this inside. She predominantly carries our number 700 all leather tote, and so she'll keep her checkbook and her must-have items in this. And so if we're pulling over somewhere and she needs to run into a pharmacy or into Target really quick, she will leave the tote and just carry this inside so that it has all the stuff that she needs to do. And like all Artifact products, these have a lifetime guarantee. They are warranted against defects in workmanship and materials. So buy it once, and thank you for watching.